Remember this fountain at its current state, because you will never see the same fountain again. This fountain does the similar thing over and over again. The water gets pushed into the streams, flying high into the air, and when the water droplets lose their inertia, they fall back in the water again, being pushed into the streams again, falling down, over and over again. It's a never-ending story of this looping fountain. During the day, in the evening, at night, over a week, over a year, it will always be looping, it will always be streaming. However, if you look closely at the top of the fountain, the maximum height of the water changes widely between the streams. Each second, we see different heights for each stream. They're never the same. Sometimes the water sprays quite low, sometimes it even exceeds the screen of the camera. For each stream, you see a different rhythm. Some are quite stable, while others are quite random. You can look at each stream forever, but you will never find the exact same pattern again. And if you zoom even closely, you will find more and more differences, very large, very small scale. The difference between the streams over time occurs because the water is giving feedback to itself. Each droplet of water contributes to the next second of water distribution across the fountain. Some droplets will fall back into the stream, pushing the water off the next stream back. Some droplets will fall gently to the side, giving room for the next droplet to push upwards, while others are launched away through the long chain reactions of feedback, giving these high streams. Essentially, each droplet in a stream is a continuous factor influencing the flow of the water, always. Each droplet takes its own position within the fountain, pushing the other droplets aside. His own existence requires a position. This position influences the position and the movement of all the other water droplets inside of the fountain. Because when the water is in the air, it gives room for the water in the pool. But when the water is in the pool, it pushes all the water around it, minimally, but something. So the longer the water droplets flow within the fountain, the more of an influence it had on the outcome of the stream, as it interacts all the time in its presence in the water or in its presence in the air. But this accounts for each drip in the water of the fountain. They all make what you see right here. When you take one single droplet out of this fountain, the streams will always be different, and the longer you wait, the more different it will flow. You will never be able to know what the exact difference will be, but the difference will be there. So the next time you're at the fountain and slide your feet into the warm water, the fountain will change forever as you stir all the water droplets through the water. This simple fountain will change forever, but it will always be the same on some scale. It will keep looping and looping, flowing and flowing with all the droplets inside of it.